Hello guys, what's going on? In this video we are going to compare the performance of these two gadgets. On the left side is this GOPRO8, which is capable of producing 4K high definition resolution, and it has its own internal image stabilization. And this DJI Mini drone is same thing. It can produce 4K high definition resolution video, and it has its own mechanical gimbal. So both of them are known to produce high quality videos. I'm going to bring this to downtown Vancouver, and we're going to capture and record videos of the street activities, and we're going to compare which one of them can produce better videos. So let's get on guys, and come and join me in downtown Vancouver. Since both of these gadgets are not that big, it's just around the size of my palm, so no one will notice that I'm doing the filming. Unlike when I'm going to use a regular camera, wherein they will see that it's a familiar thing, they will know that I'm doing the filming. But most people they are not that picky. Some of them will ask you to, why are you doing this? So sometimes you need to be brave enough to just do the filming, because what happens is when people are annoyed, then of course you have to reconsider. But sometimes they just don't mind when you're doing the filming, especially when it is not obvious. Because if you're using a drone, they thought that you're just holding the drone, because everybody knows that the drone is only used for flying. But if you use the drone for filming in the city, it's not obvious. In here, I use S20 Samsung Ultra 5G with a gimbal to create this background. Guys, now that you have seen both videos, which video footage do you prefer? Is it the one taken with the DJI drone, or the one taken with the GoPro8? Please leave a comment below, and if you enjoy this video presentation, don't forget to subscribe, and see you on my next videos.
You could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid.